guys, it's Janae. I'm going to be showing you how to size and apply a DNA halo. DNA halos are so easy and fast compared to other extensions that have 7 tracks with them. DNA halos have one long track and have an invisible band that you will use as a headband. All our hair from DNA is 100% real Remy hair. What that means is it only comes from one person, which means you know it's not mixed with animal hair, other textures of hair, which means it's 100% cruelty-free, chemical-free, and stress-free. Since it's 100% real Remy hair, you can curl it, dye it, cut it, whatever you'd like to this hair and whatever fits for you. I have my halo right here in my DNA travel bag. I love this thing. It's so perfect for traveling or even when it's at home. This way I know it's always safe and protected. So I just took it out of its travel bag and guys, does this feel so silky smooth. I love how soft DNA extensions are. It doesn't have that plasticky feel like other extensions do. I wish you guys could feel how soft it is right now. So when you get your hands on the DNA halo, it's gonna come in a box and it's going to have this string for whatever reason. If your halo string breaks, you have a backup one. Really cool. And then we also have this DNA Hair Tools comb. I'm going to show you guys how to size it to your own head preference. So when you get your halo, it's not going to be sized to your head preference, right? So it's not going to feel right or look right. So the DNA Halo extension, it varies to 18 inch to 22 inch. So if you put it above your head, like above your ears, it's going to appear shorter. And then if you put it down towards your neck, it's going to appear longer. So I triple knotted it on one side, and now I'm going to take it over to this side. There's a little opening right here. And I'm going to put it through. So I loosely knotted it on this side just one time so it pulls and I can size it to my head preference. So I'm going to begin by making an island on my head so I can size it. So I'm going to take 2 fingers, and on the second finger I'm going to take it down. And I'm going to clip it. Okay, so now I'm going to take my halo and I'm going to put it where the line of my island is. And I'm just going to pull this string right here until it feels comfortable for me. So I want to make sure that I can just put 1 finger in there so it's not too tight. So now I'm just going to let my hair down. I'm going to take the comb that came with my package. I'm going to play with the string until it's no longer noticeable. So once you have the size that fits you, now you can take it off and double knot it, triple knot it, whatever is best for you, and you're ready to go. So I'm sure you don't want to walk out the door like this, so I'm going to style my hair with a 25mm wand. So I'm going to take this piece of hair, real hair, and the halo, and I'm going to wrap it around the wand together. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. Also, let us know what you want to see next. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye!